Hey everybody, Slow Sushi here, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be finishing, well, probably not finishing up, but I'm gonna be doing more Homesick today. Hopefully we can get through some more of it. I've been having a hard time, as you guys can see, with some of the puzzles, but puzzle games frustrate me. That's just how it is. So, I'm gonna jump right in here and get to it. And I know there's not a lot that goes on in this, but I'm hoping you guys are enjoying it because I'm really enjoying the gameplay. I can't wait to figure out what the end result is going to be. I don't want any of those things. Alright. So, when I left off, I believe we had opened up the gymnasium door in my dream state. I think. So, we're going to go... Maybe we didn't get that far. Okay, we didn't get that far, so I want to go make sure that we bloomed the flowers, because that seems to be when you know that you have a room finished, is when the flowers have bloomed. Okay, so the flowers have bloomed, so I am tired. So I'm going to get my picture and go to sleep on the couch. No, come back, picture. I'm pretty sure I'd opened the gymnasium door maybe after I stopped filming. Okay. Because I definitely remember busting down a gymnasium door. Maybe it just didn't save. Oh no! Oh, you know what? Something happened with the lights. That's what it was. Alright, so obviously, since that was super dark, we're gonna have to find the light switch for that hallway. Let's see. Light switches. The rule of the game, I think, is just light switch, turn it on. Probably gonna need it. I'm going to sneeze. Sorry. Okay, so that one's on. So is there a light switch for this hallway? Oh, light switch. This door's still... That door's still locked, and we're not going into the retina room. Okay, I really thought the flash or the light switch was right there. I was about to be upset. I don't see a light switch anywhere. Am I missing it? Light switch? See, you would think it would just be easy to find. But why would it be? Alright, so this one's on. Is there one by the gymnasium? But that wouldn't make any sense. Yes, I know. You're tired, Sir Philip. Is it in here? There's a light switch here. But that one's already on. So if that one's already on, where is the light switch for here? Alright, we're gonna try to go back to sleep. We're gonna turn this one back on. Cause I don't see any other light switches. There's no light switches, bitches. Unless I'm missing something else, and that's the reason why we can't get through. Is there any light switches in here that I need to know about? Light switches? Light switches, anybody? Oh, there's a light switch right here. But that too is on. So all the light switches are on. Alright, go sleep. Maybe I have to go around that way into the corridor that I just came out of, rather than go straight through. Is that it? Ooh, maybe. Oh, maybe the other one doesn't have any lights in it. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Ooh. Ding dong. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. I was like, what happened? I'm not in the gym anymore. I forgot that you wake up wherever you fell asleep. The music stopped. This makes me sad. Alright, so we seem to have found the gymnasium. I wonder what kind of building we're in. Also, I have no feet. Maybe I'm a ghost. Ooh. Okay. That's a radiator. We don't need that. Alright, so we're in this gymnasium. There's a hallway over there. My music has started back up, which is nice. It's very calming. This is kind of a calming game. I think that's why I like it. Can we get in this door? I have a feeling the keys are just null and void at this point, honestly. Because there ain't no key thing to put it into. So this building is obviously old. And I don't know if that's just it or if there's a fire or something flooded because, you know, when I go into the dream state, it sounds like a fire. But then we found all those pictures and the whole place was flooded. So I'm very, very interested to see where this is going. I'm going to assume I can't open these. Because why would I be able to? Nope, that one doesn't open. That one doesn't open. Does this door open? Yep. Bingo. Alright, so up a little hallway. There's our retina burning hallway. Oh, we're right back here. Well, okay. I don't see any, like, this is pretty barren. So I don't see anything that would... Can I turn these? That doesn't do nothing. Do any of the other ones do anything? This one also does... Oh. Yay! I guess. Do I turn them all on? This one I was hitting the wrong button, I'm not even gonna lie. I was definitely hitting the right hand button and you gotta hit the left. Alright, let's just open all these. No, go back the other way. Am I even a guy? I mean, I yawn like a guy. Have we established that yet? I also didn't see any water sources from my bucket. So we went through that hallway. That door doesn't open. Sorry, guys. There's a chair. Can I do anything with a chair? Probably not. Probably not. I'm gonna turn all these off. Huh. So, did I try opening this door already? Oh, that one opens. I didn't even look for my flowers. Are there flowers in here? I see 0 flowers. Did I turn all these valves on? I don't remember if I turned them all on. Righty tighty, so they're all going to the right. I don't know if video game logic follows that though. Oh, that did nothing. So we turned that one on and turned all the other ones off and it did nothing. Let's turn this one on and turn all of them on. Starting with the people in the back. I think it makes it confusing that some of the doors open and some of them don't, but I guess it's probably part of the puzzles. You're supposed to explore everything, which is part of the ambiance. I still haven't seen any place for water. What is happening? That has water. Oh, look! Yay! My flowers! Oh, they're everywhere! Look how pretty that is. I love this game. It's hard. Like, for me, it's hard with the puzzles. Like, I don't even understand what just happened. I guess I don't have to turn those ones on? I'm going to assume, because I said, I think the flowers signify that you're done. I should probably see where we're going with my next nightmare. I'm going to guess that I have to run through the hallway I came down before and get through this door and smash through those with the axe. I'm gonna go back to the common room because I didn't see any place to sleep in the gymnasium. There was really nothing in the gymnasium other than the radiators, which makes it kind of rough. Alright, so let's take a nap because I'm yawning again. I'm just excited to see what the ending is. Alright, there's my picture. I can't sleep on this couch. But there was no place in the... Alright, so I guess whatever room the flowers bloom in is the place where you have to sleep. So there has to be some place in the gymnasium. I assume the common room was going to be like the point, like the middle point of everything. It's not going to be, apparently. My guy gets awfully tired awfully quick. Alright, there's nothing in here. Maybe if we take out my picture. Where's my picture? And just survey the room. I feel like that's kind of cheating though. And his yawning is obnoxious. Her yawning. I'm gonna say it to him. Oh. Okay, yeah, I guess we're not gonna walk the, extra 50 feet down the hallway to the comfortable couch. We're gonna just take a nap here on this nasty thing. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I forgot what my plan was. Okay. Oh no, I didn't turn on any lights! I don't know what's happening! Ooh, this scared me. Alright, well that was relatively simple. I still don't understand the puzzle behind this room. That really... I feel like it was more a matter of luck that I turned them all off with that one and then decided to start back here because I would have never figured that out had I not done that. I'm sorry, I keep fixing my makeup and looking down because I think I have an eyelash in my eye. So excuse my fidgetiness tonight. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, this was a little library. Okay, first what I'm gonna do is figure out where I'm sleeping once I actually get into things. So we're gonna have all these books, and the thing that upsets me about the books and stuff is during the dreams you don't have time to read them from what I'm understanding, what I'm gathering. I don't know how long you can stay in the dream state for, but I'm assuming not long considering the fact everything's like bursting into flames around you. Well, there's a couch over there. Oh, here's a couch. I bet you it's these. I bet you I need this. I don't know how to play music though. What is this? It's gotta be... Oh, I bet you it's a little kid's block, and if I were dreaming, I could pick it up and it would have something on it. Alright, does anybody know how to read music? Ah. No. Stop it. They're the dirty keys? Ah. Wait. Wait. Do I have to go with the music that just played? that wasn't it. If I walk away, we'll play again. Nope. 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 Hold on. Nope. No. There's no way that they can expect you to be playing that. Nope. Nope. Alright, you know what? Enough of this. We're gonna go see if there's another clue someplace. Because there's no way they can need... I'm gonna be so mad. Okay. Ooh, I bet you. I bet you. I had to do nothing with this stupid piano. I can't pick it up. So, do. So I'm doubting this is going to happen. Alright, but they have... Alright, so that light is on. Oh, okay, so there's more to this. Oh, we're back home? Or is this somebody else's bed? Oh, this is somebody else's room. Alright, so I gotta get water for the flowers, obviously. There's gonna be a lot of flowers in this room. I'm excited. It's gonna be pretty. Ah! These. So we've got that. Maybe we need to dream before we can figure that one out. Oh, look at... That's an L. I think it's supposed to be a C. Oh. A, B, C, D, E. So... A. So A is just a circle. So A. D. So AD. So this one is D. This one is F. No, that one's C. Okay, so We're gonna go back. Maybe we have to hit the D key on the piano. I don't know if we have to do anything with the piano. I'm not even gonna... Not gonna lie right now. I don't really know what's exactly... Because, as I said, there's no real rhyme or reason to a lot of this. As far as the puzzles go. That's a C, right? That was a C. Can we go in here? See, there's so many doors that don't open. Alright, was this light on? All the lights are on. More pictures. Is that a head? Is that somebody's head? Huh. I feel like we have gotten into a deeper and darker, darker place. As pretty as this is, I just feel like this is gonna end up bad. I mean, obviously nothing good happened here. Okay, so we went into a full circle. Alright, cool. I'm okay with that. Now I gotta figure out how to get the water and stuff, which as I said, I'm sure there's a water source someplace. There has to be a water source someplace, but I have to do something with that piano. There's no way I'm going to escape that piano. Has anything changed in here? No. Is there any more music notes that I need to find? I don't know, you guys. Well, I'm going to leave this off here. And we will come back to this, my next video. Because I have to... I'm gonna kind of fool around with it a little bit so you guys don't have to sit here and watch me go in circles, and we will start the video from the point where I actually have things figured out, because I don't know where I'm going with this. So, until next time, everybody, thank you for joining me on my channel, and I'll see you guys later.